Handang-handa sila.
Siegel against Santa Rosa. And Siegel scores the first points of the ball game para sa Pilipinas.
Aggressive move by Danny Siegel. Alam na natin kung sino yung mga shooter nila eh.
Eric Meg will take this basket.
Ano yan?
Is on. And one opportunity.
Maganda yun.
Para dito kay Eric Meg. At saka doon makikita natin dito nasa we take this opportunity to look at this one. Maganda yung ball movement. Di ba may movement ng bola, may movement ng... Fall away, wala. And rebound, si Taulaba. And Eric Meg gets his 5th point of the ball game. Yun, Tayod Marino, si Eric Meg to sa last play na yun.
But of the defensive boards, because nakakakuha ng second chance points, itong Italy. Eto si Pecile.
And basket counts.
Nakawala, basket counts. He is a master, Chino, of
Olsen Racela.
finding the space to operate. Nakita niya yung driving plays for Italy here. Here's Penisi, turnaround shot.
May problema yung Italia, natatakot. Kaya huminginan tayo, mabilis na mabilis. Magbabalik po kami dito sa Sondrio, Italia. Para po sa may Falky Dondon Ontiveros. Itong si Mian, yung Sydney Olympics veteran.
We don't, dapat malaman din natin. Oh, here's a steal.
Olsen Racela will take this
This is
one.
a lucky break for us. Olsen Racela, easy 2 points.
Buti na lang, hindi nila nakakonvert. Carriazo will take this one strong to the basket. Oh, goaltending.
Oh, scored a point for Jeffrey Carriazo. This is a
We like
great
the
start.
aggressiveness Kinito.
Yes.
Na pinapakita rito po ng ating rebound. Makukulat ng Pilipinas.
May
10
opportunity ang
seconds.
Pilipinas dito. We can score the last basket of the first quarter.
Ayan na pressure defense. Siegel gets away. Pulls up and scores as buzzer sounds to end the first quarter, Kinito.
Biggest lead natin, 7-point lead by the Philippines. That's why we're here.
Tawag
Okay
na
lang if
natin
we can
dyan
be humiliated. Hindi naman itong ultimate. Ito si Asi Taulava.
Nilabag ang bola sa harap ng mga defenders. Si Gavin natin day to day.
Yes. Ang importante dito, wag sana tayo mapagod. Kasi control situation, no screening off.
Naku, nakakawala yung Pecile. Walang humihelp Kinito baga na-breakdown yung
Traffic.
And Pecile is away. Players, nagpipilit na matuto. They're
Exactly.
trying to unlearn some of the habits na naituturo ng professional. Yun, ang kick out na maganda. Racela, ayun ang makita mo naman. Binawi ni Racela yung kanyang rebound.
Sayang yun, partner. Nasayang for Italy. Oh, here's Asi Taulava. He will score.
Yung transition, no? Rare transition points, Kinito. Now they make that move. Carriazo. Oh, yes. From the outside, Carriazo, top of the key, scores and gives the Philippines a 3-point lead as we end the first 20 minutes.
Tayo din na naka-score. Naka-recover. This is a breakthrough. The Philippines ahead at the half.
Okay, magbabalik po kami with the halftime summary matapos ang ilang pala.
Taulava is still back in defense.
Nako, 3-point play.
bagsak.
Pangalawang
Bagsak si Pecile.
3-point play opportunity ni Pecile.
Bagsak si Pecile. At sabi ni Danny Siegel that there was a ward off na hindi tinawag ng referee. But Pecile down hard. 3-point play opportunity para sa kanya.
Nod.
Oh, yes!
Alam mo, swerte tayo na isot natin yun sa ganong klase tira, na pero kulang pa rin tayo sa movement. May tendency pa rin tayo panoorin yung mga kasama natin.
Exactly. Yung dinada lang sa lakas ni Asi Taulava, but he's such a talented player. Kausap score inside.
Rambaldoni with a sport point and a steal by Pecile.
Oh, nako.
Pecile is up and away. At lamang na ang Italia, so we need a break. Kailangan natin pamatay sunog. Magbabalik po kami.
Appetizer, at least 4 back. 13-0 blast. Very, very quick. Ang speed dito grabe.
Yo, si
Duremdes.
finally, Duremdes finds his mark. Duremdes, ayun, nakakuha ng foul.
Oh, that's
and
good.
those will
That's
be
Three
those
free throws. Maganda
foul,
yung fake.
swerte.
Maganda yung fake ni Kenneth Duremdes.
3 free throws, not para kay Kenneth Duremdes.
But that's another big mistake on the part of the Italian team. At I'm sure si Carlo Recalcati, sasabunin niya yung player na yun who fouled Kenneth Duremdes from 3-point distance with
Nasasabi
no
pa lang-
chance to make the shot.
Kasasabi pa lang natin, no, may disiplina doon, no, wala ang disiplina. Magbabalik po kami dito sa aming nalalagyan sa Sondrio after si Kenneth Duremdes. Ang talim ng mata ng referee, nandun sa may baseline, nakita niya yon.
He's now ballooning. Ahas is tired. It's a tired team. And nakikita nila na hindi na lumalabas ang depensa ng Abas. Kuminsan meron sila tira sa loob.
Parang boksingero, up and down. Up fake ni Sigel, good if it goes. Counted ang tira. Floater ni Sigel. But he needs more of that, no? He needs to attack the basket kung nagbe-breakdown ang problema.
From their first game. Pero yung fourth quarter collapse natin, no?